Black tea is one of the most consumed beverages in the world. It offers a variety of health benefits because it contains antioxidants and compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. A study shows that 3 or more cups of black tea lowers the risk of stroke 21% than non-consumers of black tea. Black tea contains an antioxidant called polyphenol, which helps block DNA damage linked with tobacco or other toxic chemicals. Some researchers over the years suggest that antioxidants like polyphenol and catechins in black tea may help prevent some types of cancer. Regular black tea drinkers can have stronger bones due to phytochemicals present in black tea. Moderate tea drinkers consuming 1 or 2 cups regularly on a long-term basis have 77% lower chance of having type 2 diabetes. Black tea can protect us from viruses found commonly in our everyday lives as it contains tannins that can fight against viruses. Black tea also contains alkylamines antigens, which help boost our immune response. Another study found that those who drank 3 cups of black tea per day had an 11% reduced risk developing heart disease. Some studies have shown that a cup or 2 of black tea is a healthy life choice.